Welcome to 10 Facts channel. Today we are going to tell 10 facts about birds. A flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down. The smallest living bird in the world is the hummingbird. A bird's heart beats 400 times per minute while resting and up to 1000 beats per minute while flying. Penguins can jump as high as 6 feet in the air. The fastest bird on the earth is the peregrine falcon. An albatross can sleep while it flies. The most talkative bird in the world is the African grey parrot. Puffins can fly underwater. A woodpecker can peck 20 times in a second. A duck's quack doesn't echo anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to learn more facts.